Don't draw on yourself.
You drawing, Kana?
You're drawing on my hand is what you're doing.
Pinta otro huevito.
See? Now we color the color in this part. Use the blue and color.
Hey, Dad, I'm making an egg.
You are making an egg, huh?
Can you move your hand, Mom?
I'm making a baby.
You're making a baby, huh?
I'm making a baby.
Really? Look at you making babies.
Yeah.
All right, buddy.
No, too early.
Too early, Mom says, to make babies. Well, as soon as you get a job, you can make a baby.
A baby.